geopolitical temperature, especially in the Middle East, with the ongoing fight between Israel, Iran, and the United States. The financial markets has really taken a hit from all of this, with the prices of the oil skyrocketing up to $150 per barrel. Now, the financial markets, that is the stocks, commodities, indices, and the Forex are really taking a dip. So let's jump into the charts right now and see what is going on. We have indices like the S&P 500 dropping to by negative 0.58%. We have the Nasdaq dropping by 0.5 as well. We have the Dow Jones down by 0.95. The only thing doing good, not the only thing, but yeah, we have the volatility index up by 4.47. In stocks, we have stocks like the Apple stocks down by 1%. We have the Tesla down by 0.35. We have Netflix doing better. We have futures, gold not doing that well. In terms of currency exchange, we have the euro dollar down by 0.22. The pound dollar down by 0.21. We have the dollar yen up by 0.33. The crypto, we have the Bitcoin down by 3.61. So generally speaking, looking at this, we can see that most financial instruments are down at the moment. And coming to how I was positioned, I know early in the week I was positioned short, but I was quickly corrected on that one. Apparently the market has a way of humbling people, thinking that I know, but based on what I can see right now, with the few break of structures right around there, we can see there's a clean break of structure. So that shifted my whole idea from being bearish to being bullish, and that is how I'm actually positioned on this one right now. So I'm just waiting for a little bit of retracement so that I can enter longs on this trade. I have very much hope on the dollar gaining its value. And we had news coming up where we had the PPI, that is the producer price index, which came better than expected with a 0.7, whereas the predicted one, the forecast was 0.3. So it was way better than expected. So means that there is demand for finished goods up in America, which is a good thing. Gives strength to the dollar. And so in as much as we were selling, for the most part, we have been pretty bearish. You can see down there, we have been pretty bearish, but I can see potential break of structures, and maybe we can shift to long positions. So all I can do is just wait and see. So that is just how I'm positioned on the GU. So gold, I'm just bearish the same way I was, but I think from this position, 482.72.62 is a huge resistant area. So we are about to see some pullbacks right there, but I'm overly bearish still on the gold dollar. On the EU, on the other side, I might be bearish as well. As you can see, we have been on a downtrend, and as soon as we hit this trend line, I expect to sell. If I was to go into this trade, I'll definitely place my sell limit somewhere over there, have my stop loss right over there. I might take profits down there. So I'll be looking for something of the sort. So yep, we're just going to see with all the politics going on in the Middle East, what goes on, and then we as the traders, our work is just to observe and react with whatever the market and whatever is going on in the markets. I don't really like taking keynote on the geopolitics, but it's very important. I would tell any trader to do as much, but I really respect the price action and the market structure. That is what I try most of all going with. I don't like listening. I see most of the geopolitical things as just BS, just to be honest, and lack of better word. And yeah, it does affect how the currencies or the other commodities or financial markets react to the market. But at the end of the day, price is just gonna respect the structure. So that is what I like going with. So with that in store, we're just going to wait and see what is going to happen. So generally speaking, I'm short on the EU, I'm short on the gold, but I'm long on the GU, which is the currency pair that I actually trade. These other ones that I'm showing you guys are just just for the sake of doing it, do it for the love. Yep. So apart from that, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll definitely see you on the next one.